Welcome to another episode of Formula Trust and Diecast, guys. Thank you for. And today we have two cool models. Um, Not sure how to explain this, but I think these are just clones from China. Um, I was looking for construction vehicles on a popular website, and this is the only thing that I could find. When I mean something newer than Diecast Masters, I want to see what other brands they had. Most of the stuff that I bought, that I found, sorry, was on 150th scale or other bigger scales or RC construction vehicles that um, I wasn't interested at the moment in. But I found these two and interesting because you see something familiar right there. It's like they took the cat logo and they just added "See Cool" in it. But I was intrigued nonetheless to see the quality. As you can see, the box got destroyed, so that's okay. We're not gonna keep that. So let's crack it open and see if we can find what this is. It's any licensing, any markings at the bottom. There's something broken there. Hopefully, it's not from my model. I tried to order another one, a different, but it got lost on the way. Luckily, the seller was nice enough to refund me my money. But it's a shame because I was really hoping to see that one as well. So something cool. Out of the back, this one's not too bad. We have rubber tires here. This is made out of metal. Don't know what this. Oh, it's just a hook to get this going. Little piston thing. That's cool. The interiors. Different than the other ones. It has a steering wheel and the seat. No, there's no marking. Surprisingly, this stuff right here is made out of metal. This is metal as well. This base right here is plastic. And the cap as well. But all in all, it's a pretty decent. It rolls. And it does what it's supposed to. So far so good. Not a lot of detail, I gotta say. But the color is pretty even. I was worried that both models were gonna have different yellow colors. And I'll show you in a minute what I was talking about. So let's put this one to the side. And then we have this monster right here. And I don't know if this is a 1/64 scale or smaller. Because if we compare with the other one, it's like way off. But let's look at it first. Again, no markings of any kind. We don't know who really made it. Sorry. And you can see clearly I don't know if you can see it, but this yellow and this yellow are just off. Oh, these are rubber uh, hydraulic lines. The hydraulics kind of move. It's just a little stiff, but it moves. The bucket is made out of plastic, but everything, this arm is metal, the calf is metal. This is, oh, this is metal as well. This part is plastic, and the tracks, yeah, they don't move at all. But it does rotate 360. Good detail. It has the um, windshield guard there and on the top. Yeah, I think this might be a different scale. I don't think it's 164, but okay, not sure. No markings. But for the price, that's the other thing. They were like $12 each, 15 at the most, I think, each model. So not completely horrendous when it comes to price quality. It doesn't fit on my screen. There we go. But there it is. You can find these ones on that famous Chinese website, AliExpress. Um, like I said, I had problems with one model, but the other ones came. These two came together. I don't know if it was a different seller or what, but I like him. Good for displaying. Obviously, wish it was licensed and had more details, but it is what it is sometimes. For the price, uh, thank you for watching the channel and supporting. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, so we can keep bringing you more amazing diecasts. And until the next one, thank you again.